Hey, this is like a pre-video, hopefully. One of my mates are still up here, so the plan is to air horn them, but use the webcam to video recorder. I have the webcam, sorry, not the, I have the air horn it underneath here, and normally just it'll be over there, and when he's over there, I'll just hit the air horn, and we'll have a priceless reaction for YouTube. Yeah. Who knows? I might even end up on break.com. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be the first video. This is going to be like part 1, part 2. The second part will be actually of it happening. So, it is. Name, you're going to get air horn. Wow. As people say, expect the unexpected. Preparation is everything. Be prepared for anything and everything. Okay, and then video part 1. Second video will be of the air horn itself. So hopefully it goes right. And just before he comes up, I'll press the record button. So it'll be like a couple of maybe a minute or so if nothing happening, and then you hear noise and shit in the background. Well, that's the plan, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy part 2, hopefully.